Hi, it's Yukiko. Hope you're well. I'm right now in the Blue Ridge Mountains and it's quite beautiful. I just went down to the cascading waterfalls and just sensed in to the flow of the water over the rocks, to the earth, to the moss, to the plants and trees, the butterflies and the clouds and the sky. It's really quite an experience to sense into the natural world through your skin, through your body, in deep listening. I invite you to join me on May 18th, Saturday, in Marshall, Virginia, to really take the steps towards harmonizing with nature and really entering that conversation, so needed right now, both for our own souls and to start a conversation with the natural world. Thank you and hope to see you there. Bye-bye.